Hi, so this is going to be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things, exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything. Well, this video is just going to be one of my classics, meaning that I'm just going to be giving, the same old advices that probably my old subscribers been, listening for like tons of times. So, this video is going to be dedicated to the new, beginners, right? Beginners in, consistency building. So anyway, hi, my name is Laksana. Just an average person who's also been struggling and documenting my own consistency journey online for hundreds of days. One of my biggest achievement in being consistent is that I currently have 90 days straight morning push-ups straight fully documented on my Instagram. I think I average somewhere around like 45 push-ups per day. Per morning. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. And yeah, this is February 5th, 2025, and this is going to be day 212 of consistently helping people build consistency. So there's this one really powerful method, one really powerful, what do you say, principle that we can use in order to help us be consistent at sticking to the positive things that we wanted to be consistent at. It's called the habit streak. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that most of you guys have already, feel familiar with this concept, but I'm just gonna be, you know, telling you guys how to actually create the habit streak and why it's gonna be effective. But firstly, I want to give the definition. Basically, a habit streak is just us doing some specific particular thing consistently every single day without missing a day. So basically, we just count, okay? We count how many days we've been consistently doing a thing, a specific thing, consistently without missing any single day. Okay, so first thing first, the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to clearly define what is the thing that we wanted to be doing, okay? Because notice most people they only say that, oh, you know what, I'm gonna be studying every single day. I'm gonna be exercising every single day without having no plan whatsoever. Like this is like if you just say that you're gonna be studying every single day, this is really unclear. I mean, like, what type of studying that you're gonna be doing and how many minutes you're gonna be spending your time at the bare minimum every single day doing that particular studying. How much studying is enough studying, right? How can we even be consistent at doing something if we don't even have a clear idea of what is the thing, what is the studying that we are going to be doing on the first place? So first thing first, we want to, you know, make the thing extremely clear. How? By making it specific and also measurable. So instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying every single day, say that we are going to be reading some books, which is specific. Not only that we make it specific, we also make it measurable. So let's say 10 minutes of reading a book. We don't have to start big, right? We can just like start small and then gradually increase the bare minimum. So after we make things extremely clear, we're gonna be grabbing a pen and a paper and write things down, okay? Write what is the thing that we're gonna be doing, okay? And then not only that we are gonna be writing the thing that we want to be consistently doing at this paper, we are also going to mark an X every single time we do the thing that we say that we're gonna be doing, the thing that we write. The 5 minutes of reading a book, the 5 minutes of Duolingo, the 5 minutes of running, right? So every single day we do the thing, we are gonna be marking an X. Oh yeah, also since I give some example of exercising, I'm gonna be giving some disclaimer that this is not medical advice. If you want to start your own exercising routine, please consider your own health condition. Maybe consult to some medical professional. So again, the habit streak, the concept of habit streak is really simple. You mark an X every single time you do your thing consistently on a daily basis without missing a day. So that means if you miss just one day, right, you're gonna reset the streak to zero again. Okay. So let's say you've got to day 7, day 14, but then, the next day you don't do your thing. Well then, like you need to start from day 0 again. Well, yeah, it's really simple actually. So why having a habit streak is really, really effective? Three reasons. One, we can clearly track how many days we've been consistently doing our thing. And this clear tracking system is going to give us some confidence, right? Some confidence. Oh yeah, I'm that one person who've been consistently doing his plan, doing his studying for the past 14 days. Oh yeah, I'm that one person who've been consistently practicing my art for the past 3 months straight without missing a day. Okay, so once we have this sense of confidence, right, we're gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what, I've been, like nailing this thing for the past 3 months. Let's just say like for the past 7 days. I'm also going to be doing it. I'm also going to be nailing it on the 8th day, on the 9th day, on the 10th day, and so on and so on, right? So that's going to help us to be consistent. But who? Okay, we are also going to be having the motivation to keep on increasing, the streak. Okay, because seeing the numbers go higher and higher is just something that's really really interesting for us. But thirdly, we are also going to be having a new motivation not to break the streak because we're going to be having some sense of attachment to the streak, right? We don't want to go to zero. We don't want to we don't want to go to day zero again, right? So here's the thing, you know, going to day zero again, breaking the streak is going to feel really, really suck. Okay. We are going to be feeling like, oh yeah, we've lost something that we've built from day zero. So even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, right? Big chances we are still gonna be doing that thing. Why? Because we're gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what? Doing this thing suck. Doing this studying suck. I don't really want to study today. But you know what? Guess what? Even way more suck. Breaking the streak, not doing this thing. Okay, resetting to day zero again. So you know what? Guess what? I'm just gonna be choosing the less suck. Like the less suck way. What do you say? The less suck thing. The less suck thing to experience. We're just studying. Okay, and you know what? Anyway, like studying is the right thing to do anyway. So I'm just gonna be studying, okay, and increasing my daily streak. Oh yeah, but I want to give some disclaimer for the context of exercising. Maybe you don't really want to have a habit streak because you want to take some rest days, right? But yeah, anyway, that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, utilizing the concept of habit streak. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. You can also join our Discord. So